Hey, what's going on, everybody? For those of you that don't know, my name is Michael. I am the owner and operator of 15 Cent Pressure Washing. I'm going to walk you guys through what we got going on today. We're going to do a house wash. We're going to do some paint removal on a shed. We're going to do some mold removal on a shed. Give you guys a quick walk around and show you what we got. Alright, you guys, so this is the house that we are going to clean. We're also going to clean the front steps here. If you see, these steps have accumulated a lot of mold debris. Check this stuff out. Look how those pine needles have formed in with the mold. It almost looked like it's part of the mold. It's crazy, ain't it? Look at that. It's stuck right in there. But yeah, so we're gonna do these steps here. We're also gonna do the railings, which we definitely do not want to pressure wash the railings because we're trying to save as much paint as possible. The gutters, as you can see, aren't that bad. The foundation's pretty bad. As you can see down through there, the foundation definitely needs some cleaning. All right, let's make our way to the back. Check it out. This right here, this is our rig. Pressure washer is 8 gallons per minute at 4,000 PSI. Yes, I need a ladder rack either on the trailer or on the truck. Truck's name is Big Boy, by the way. We're gonna rinse off this patio here. Here's the side of the house we're gonna do. You can see that it has built up a good bit of dirt. A lot of dirt down through there. That back there is the shed that we are gonna kill some mold on. We're gonna treat the shed with which I'm gonna do that here in a minute. So I'm not gonna record actually, washing these surfaces and stuff, but I am gonna do an after video. So we get the before, see what it looks like beforehand, and then we'll see what it looks like afterwards. We're not gonna do that shed there, nor that one. The paint removal is on the shed down there. Dong, 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 dong. Let's check it out. Yeah, so he's gonna repaint this. It's like down through here. See how that paint, well, there's some comes off. Yep. Just want to be careful to not damage anything, right? The front really is where it's bad. You can see through there where there's some mold build up. Some mold down through there. Mold. I love killing mold, y'all. I really do. Alright, you guys, now that I did the walkthrough, show you guys what it looked like beforehand, all the mold, the dirt, I'm about to get this place cleaned up and I'll get back to you once I'm done. Alright, you guys, I am done cleaning. Let's check it out. Alright, so you remember these steps were just like destroyed in mold. So were the handrails. There's runoff there. I can't do nothing about that. He knows that. He's gonna put some rocks there. You see the foundation down in there is very, very clean. All the mold is dead and gone. Right? This looks good. There's the rig again. Thing cleaned up pretty good. Here is the shed. If you remember, this thing was covered in mold. Like I mentioned earlier, he is going to paint the shed. But yeah, cleaned up really good. And remember back here we had the other metal shed. As you can see, it is clean. Other than the roof, but he didn't want to clean the roof. The house is still drying. But yeah, man, everything cleaned up really good. Really good. Alright, y'all. There it is. We washed the house, the steps, the 2 sheds. Also rinsed off the patio. As you can see, there was a major difference, especially in areas that were just real moldy. You know, we killed all the mold, sprayed it away. Right now I'm in Columbia, Tennessee, 38401. We're right off of West 7th. It's still one of the historical roads of Columbia. Columbia it's absolutely beautiful here, and it's awesome that, you know, we get to do what we do here and do our part of helping to keep Maury County and Columbia clean. You know, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, you know, leave them down below. Like this video if it entertained you. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date, and hit that notification bell. Hit the notification bell. And until next time, man, wash on.